Welcome to Blue Ridge University. Today we're walking through some maintenance on the Mimaki TxF300. Before getting started, we need to make sure we have all the right parts. That is, a sponge pad, a wiper, and 2 cap head assemblies. The first thing we want to do is place the TxF300 into maintenance mode. From the printer home screen, press Menu, scroll down to Maintenance, Station Maintenance, and then select Carriage Out, and press Enter. This will unlock the carriage and move it into position so you can safely access the cap head, sponge, and wiper areas. Start by locating the existing cap heads. Carefully remove each old cap head assembly from the machine by pushing down and slightly sliding the head to the left. You'll notice that the heads are on a spring, and this will allow the heads to pop up out of the tray. Keep a paper towel next to you as well to put the old head on. Pay close attention to how the tubes on the underside of the heads are installed, because the new cap heads need to be installed in the same orientation. Before reseating the new head, make sure you remove the rubber gasket from the old cap head assembly. This is a very important piece that provides stability and cushion to the spring system. Transfer that gasket onto the new cap head. Then push down on the new head while slightly sliding it forward. The new head should pop up into the tray and stay seated. Lastly, remove the protective plastic cover from that new head. Repeat the same exact steps to replace cap head 2. Next, we'll replace the sponge pad. Remove the old sponge pad by unclipping the 2 clips from the front of the pad to lift and tilt it out. Take the new sponge pad and insert it into the same position. Make sure it clips in securely and sits flat inside the holder. Next, we'll move on to the wiper. Using the TxF300 menu, make sure that the wiper is unlocked through the wiper replacement setting in the same station maintenance menu as the carriage unlock feature that we used earlier in the video. Once it's unlocked, carefully unclip and remove the old wiper from the assembly. Take the new wiper and seat it into place, making sure it's fully clipped in and aligned correctly. The correct alignment is to make sure that the hook of the wiper is pointed to the right. The wiper should sit firmly in position without being loose or twisted. After confirming everything is in place, exit maintenance mode and allow the printer to return to its normal position. And that's it. For more on Mimaki maintenance tips, product support, and printer supplies, visit blueridgescreenproducts.com.